there. I'm at Babcock Ranch, and I'm just going to go in and take a look at this new D.R. Horton community here. They have one model here. It's the Carrington. And in Babcock Ranch, there's all these different little communities within Babcock Ranch. There we go. There's the information on Carrington. And there is an open house here. So, are you buying new construction? Don't forget to tell them that Dina Sowers sent you. Add me to their contract, and I can represent you through the whole process. We can figure things out together. Thanks for watching. Now back to the video.
Hey, how you doing?
This is the den. Obviously, they have it set up as their office here. I like this kitchen though. This particular one. It's a nice wide kitchen. The laundry room and kitchen. As large pantry. This particular model, I'm sure you'll see, look how many cabinets are in here. This is a really small house, but look how much storage they gave her in the kitchen. Very nice. Okay. This door, first door is the air handler. I'm not going to open that. It's like another closet, like a linen closet type thing. Here's me. Dina Sowers. Okay, here's the bathroom. This one's been modified. This is going to be a full bathroom when they're done, but they've modified it just because it's the model. I'm doing free headshots here today, agents. So, but this is another bedroom. The closet's right there. Do you want to plug your photography while I'm here?
Hi, I'm Warren from Elite One Studios, and I do real estate photography and headshots.
Give them a call for any of your photography needs. All right. 2-car garage and a guy trying to work. Okay. So in the
Oh my God.
Nice turnout for their open house today. And here's the master. I like the way the decorator did this. Nice with the black with the gold. I kind of like that, but it's sort of like a, I don't know, what would you call that? It's not exactly brushed gold. It's more like a very pale gold. Like if it was, 10 karat gold instead of 14 karat gold. It's nice. I like it. It's subtle. All right. And here is master bath. And nice big closet here. If you trick this out, you can get so much storage in this one. Put in some nice closet organizers. And here is the water closet. So the master is very nice. It overlooks, in this particular case, it overlooks a lake, but a lot of them in Babcock Ranch overlook lakes. This is a really interesting community because they're trying to be super green here. Babcock Ranch is trying to be self-sufficient with a number of different green sort of power and stuff in this community, and then they require that the builders make their homes super energy efficient as well. So it's a really good green option if you're looking for that. And the downtown is fantastic. Take a look at one of my other videos. I'm going to do another video before I leave Babcock Ranch of the downtown area, but the downtown is super cool, and they have concerts and all kinds of stuff down there. So Babcock Ranch is a really good new community, well, newer community, and they're building and building like crazy here, and there's tons of shopping already, and it used to be the middle of nowhere, and now it's everywhere you want to be. So they have a lot of stuff here. So check out Babcock Ranch. And if you want to come and see it with me, I'm happy to show it to you. Let me show you my information one more time. Contact me. And when you're dealing with new construction, please give them my name and then this number down here, this ID number, because then I can help you. I can't help you if you don't tell them my name. So when you go into any new construction, even if I haven't spoken with you yet, please give them my name and my ID number down here in Florida, and I'll be able to assist you. Plus then I get credit for it. So that's always nice. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.